Hello, children. How are you today? Fine? I'm great. Okay, I have prepared for you some activities, okay, with the days of the week and a page from the student's book where you have to sing, yes, and to read something. Let's go. Okay, look. Well, we say, hello, children. How do you feel today? What's the weather like today? Okay, and let's sing together. But before singing, do you remember the days of the week? Let's see. You have to do this short activity, okay? You have to find these days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I have to find the days of the week here, ¿ok? Entonces, muy cortito. Vamos a buscar los días de la semana acá, ¿sí? Estos días de la semana los vamos a buscar acá, ¿sí? Simple. And then, después, you have another activity, okay, with the page of the book, con la página del libro. Yes, this is a song. You will listen to the song. Vamos a escuchar la canción y la vamos a cantar. And then you have to answer these 4 questions. Yes, are the same like this. Son las mismas que están acá. Yes, and you have to answer reading this song. Leyendo esta canción. Yes, la vamos a responder. ¿Sí? So, I hope you enjoy it and good luck.